Good morning and welcome to the first video that talks about the historic buildings and the buildings in Coldwater's commercial business district, what is known locally as the Main Street of Coldwater. Here is number 22 Coldwater Road, and this is Terry Henry's barbershop. This building, apart from Linda Dunnett's accounting shop a few years ago, has always been a barbershop. Before Terry Henry, there was a gentleman by the name of Mr. Bell, and Mr. Bell and his wife lived in the back, and Mr. Bell cut hair here in the window for over 60 years. Mr. Bell's barber chair can be found at the Canadiana Museum in one of their outbuildings, and even before Mr. Bell was here, there was a barber before him, so almost always a barber shop, original building here at 22 Coldwater Road.